Hi everyone, if you're looking for grammar schools, I would highly recommend you all to go and look for their GCSEs also. Because some grammar schools normally have shifted from GCSEs to IGCSEs. What is IGCSE? IGCSE only has two boards, that is Cambridge and EXL, and GCSE has lot of boards like they have AQA, they have EDXL, they have OCR, and all they have vocational courses also. So all this comes in GCSE. So when you're looking for grammar schools, just look on their website and see what they do in year 11. Do they go for GCSE or they go for IGCSE? IGCSE also has foreign languages like Japanese and Chinese. GCSE don't have that. They only have normal foreign languages like French and German and other Spanish.